What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Multichain, which has pumped up quite a bit guys, over 100% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $3.22. So we're going to be looking at why has it suddenly pumped up so much earlier this morning, how high is it likely to go, is it time to invest into it right now, is it too late, or is it a risky investment right now? Because as you guys can clearly see, the crypto market is going through a little bit of a dip right now, with Bitcoin dropping down to $38,000, which is not looking too great. So we're going to be going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024. What can we expect from Multichain? And as you guys can see, there is a little note here on CoinMarketCap. Kindly note that the Multichain bridging service is currently unavailable. The team has advised users to refrain from using the service until further notice, just in case any of you guys are looking to trade it or have anything to do with this. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be on the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Multichain, which is here in purple. And we can see Multichain is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that it is slightly overvalued due to the difference in value here between the average and the actual value. So it is potentially likely for it to crash, but we'll get into that later on in the video. For now, let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. So again, this is not realistic. The reason it's looking so steep, heading upwards, is due to the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. However, that is not likely to carry on in that direction over the next 12 to 14 hours. So potentially towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Multichain to have crashed back down in value to around the $2 mark, or just above that value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is it's gone for a sudden pump out of nowhere, over 100%. So it is likely to slowly start to drop back down in value over the coming hours. So what I'm expecting is, yes, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the next few hours, before it slowly starts to drop back down later on this afternoon, evening time, dropping down to just over $2 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, exact same guys. We've got the blue and the orange now looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning once again, this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Multichain to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially down to around the SMA indicator here, around $1.80 is where I'm expecting Multichain to be trading at by the end of this week and early next week as well. So do expect more red days for Multichain over the coming days, especially that the crypto market is going for a little bit of a dip right now. Does not help the situation, so do expect it to go for an overall drop over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, the blue line is still not looking realistic. It's still looking too steep, and the orange line is slanting towards a positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting Multichain to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is due to the fact that it is overvalued, as I mentioned, and I'm expecting it. As you guys can see, since about October, November time, the crypto has been dropping in value, even though the crypto market has been going towards the positive direction. So clearly, multi-chain does not follow a similar pattern to the crypto market. And right now that the crypto market is crashing, is pumped up in value, is literally going the opposite direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, I'm expecting it to drop down below the $1.50 target, potentially heading down to the dollar mark in March, April is what I'm expecting from multi-chain. But again, if there are any major updates on this crypto that can have a potential positive or negative impact on it, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, it is an overall drop in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and as mentioned, I'm not expecting it to pump up anymore. So in fact, it is likely to just carry on dropping just below the red zone here. Not below, but to the bottom part of the red zone is what I meant, over the next couple of weeks and months as well. And by mid-year, essentially it should be trading below the dollar mark. But again, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by an insane percentage, guys. 4,200% up in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely crazy, guys. It is currently at $63 million in trading. That is a major increase. As you guys can see, last night or even earlier this morning, it was at $1.6 million, and out of nowhere it's gone up to 63 million. So yeah, that is a huge increase. Again, main reason for that is it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, even though the crypto market is crashing. So of course it is going to get a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it. So a lot more people are trading the crypto, both buyers and sellers point of view, which is in return helping the value of multi-chain pump up higher. As you guys can see, it just keeps on pumping. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on this crypto. As I mentioned, it is currently overvalued, so I am expecting it to take a little bit of a dip over the coming hours and days as well. What I want you guys to do is let me know your predictions on this crypto. How high or how low are you guys expecting multi-chain to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also let me know your predictions on the crypto market right now, guys. Are you guys expecting it to crash further? Are you guys expecting it to recover and pump back soon? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see what if your predictions have changed on the crypto market after the dip that's been taking place this week. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.